think hiking is just walking uphill? Think again. Your body and brain are transforming with every step. 1. Strengthens your heart. Hiking is a natural form of cardiovascular exercise that lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart disease. 2. Builds muscles and bones. The uneven terrain works your legs, core, and stabilizer muscles, while weight-bearing movement strengthens bones and improves balance. 3. Boosts mental health. Being in nature lowers stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. The combination of exercise and greenery is proven to lift your mood and clear your mind. 4. Enhances creativity. Studies show spending time outdoors improves problem-solving and creative thinking, making hiking a productivity hack in disguise. 5. Supports weight management, regular hikes. Burn calories efficiently, increase metabolism, and encourage consistent physical activity without the monotony of a gym routine. 6. Improves sleep quality. Exposure to natural sunlight helps reset your circadian rhythm, improving sleep duration and quality. 7. Strengthens immunity. Fresh air, sunlight, and movement help regulate immune function and reduce inflammation, making your body more resilient. So, next weekend, skip the screens and hit a trail instead. Your heart, brain, and body will thank you. Subscribe for more science-based health and lifestyle insights.